Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this crispy Adai Dosa. It's very easy to make and you can put them to make the breakfast in less than 15 minutes. All that you have to do is soak the rice for 2 hours until it plumps up, and then you have this beautiful, delicious, crispy Adai Dosa. Let's get started with this recipe. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Let's get started. To start off, here I have 1 cup of rice. This is half cup of idli rice and half cup of raw rice, which is the cooking rice. So now I'm going to add this to the pot. To this I'm adding 3 tablespoons tur dal and 3 tablespoons whole urad dal, 3 tablespoons split moong dal, 3 tablespoons chana dal, and add water as much as required to wash it. Now make sure you wash it until water runs clean, and then soak it at least for 2 to 3 hours. If you want to soak it overnight, that's also fine, but 2 to 3 hours will do the trick. Now wash it with the clean water and add 2 red chilies or more as you prefer, and let it soak for 2 to 3 hours. Now once it is soaked, drain the soaked water in a cup, let it sit there. We will use this when we blend the mixture. Now go ahead and transfer to the high food processor or blender. To this I'm adding 1 large onion, 1 inch ginger, and some cilantro, handful of cilantro or quarter cup of cilantro. Go ahead and add all this together, and now I'm going to add salt as needed. Now salt, make sure you just add a little bit. If you want to add later, you can always adjust the salt. We cannot go back. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of reserved water from the soaked water, and go ahead and blend it until it's nice and smooth. And once you finish blending, go ahead and transfer into a bowl, and then check for seasoning if you want more salt. Now here I'm using cast iron, so that's I'm going to clean this with onion first, and then splash some water, and then clean the water, and then once it's nice and hot, I'm going to add full ladle full of batter and just go ahead and thin it out as thin as possible. And now let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Meanwhile, when it's cooking, when you see the color changes a little bit, and then I'm going to add ghee or oil as needed, and then let it cook for another couple seconds. One side 2 minutes, and once you flip it, or once you see that nice crisp edges, flip it and you can see the beautiful color and nice crispiness, and cook for another minute or so, and then you can remove it and serve it hot with any choice of chutney, and it's super crispy. I'm just serving with red chutney, which is onion and onion chutney. You can serve with this coconut, anything of your choice. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Bye.